Back inside the United Center, let's send you over to Magu Marjan.
Miko, before the game, tinanong natin magkabilang coach kung ano ba ang pinagkwentuhan nila sa kanilang pregame huddle sa loob ng dugout. Coach Ryan Gregorio ang sinagot sa atin, isa rin tanong. Yung tinanong niya sa kanyang players, how much do you want it? Besides their defensive and offensive assignments, tinanong niya who will be diving for the loose balls, who will be taking the charging fouls. Ang gusto niya sa depensa, they don't give up any layups, they don't give up any three-point plays, they have to make the phone fouls, plead for their points. He challenged his players to dig deep into their hearts to live and fight another day. Pagdating naman sa talk and text, si Coach Chot Reyes, ang kanyang battle cry, going the distance. Ang auto semis daw at wild card para sa kanila was just 2 wins away. That is a matter of inches. They have to fight for every single inch the entire 48 minutes in this game in order to advance to Friday's knockout games. After 18 games daw, wala pa siyang consistency. He is hoping na dito daw sa ball game nito, up and down the order ng lineup niya, pumutok na raw. Tinanong natin, what will it take for them to win this game? Sabi niya, all it takes is what we've all got. Back to you guys.
All right now, parang hindi pa nailalabas ng talk and text yung kanilang arsenal, ano? Because it's been a sluggish start for the Phone Pals as Jondan Salvador knocks it home. And now it's a 10-point game para sa Pure Foods.
At alam mo gusto ko nang bawiin yung aking sinabi at the start of the ball game. Why? Because nakita natin dito sa ating first five ng Pure Foods, wala yung kanilang import. At nakita natin sa estratehiya ni Coach Ryan, kahit malalaki sila, kung sila mas mabilis, wala yung kanilang 7-footer iwan sa takbuhan. That's why we see all their 12 points halos sa loob nila ini-score ito by their very own big men, Salvador, itong si Raimundo at Enrico Villanueva, na dito nag-issue ng magandang pasa kay Jondan Salvador for the twinner. So kahit malalaki sila, relatively mas mababili sila at dyan nila nauunahan itong mga taga-talk and text na kahit malalaki din at nabanggit natin yung kanilang advantage sa outside shooting, pananatira nila sa labas, hindi naman pumapasok.
And now in comes Mac Cardona, who will try to bring some life into this moribund talk and text offensive. Second free throw for Jay Washington. Leong mintis.
And I would say na off balance itong talk and text sa simula ng kanilang laro. Of course, they are expecting si Redra Limit to start, kaya malalaki ang kanilang pangtapat. Pero sila ang nagulat doon.
A missed layup off a nice move for Curdo Raimundo. Bola ng Phone Pals. Here's Alapagi, will knife through. Hand off for Terrence Leather.
First touch for Terrence Leather. At kanina, bago magsimula ang laro, coming off the timeout, nakikipagpalitan siya ng salita kay Jondan Salvador. Mukhang nararamdaman niya na ang depensa ni Jondan.
Ayan, yung dalawang mamangay ng nagbabantayan. Here's Cardona off the bench. Cardona over to Washington with 6 to shoot. Washington with nowhere to go, and Leather almost loses the ball. 1 to shoot. At dyan na naubos ang shot clock ng Phone Pals. And Leather, it's like he's visibly bothered by the physical defense of Jondan Salvador.
At dapat na-realize niya na yung kanyang leksyon. No, once he was ejected for 2 technical fouls. The following game, he posted his personal high dito sa PBA of 47 points. Well, kailangan niya kalimutan yung depensa sa kanya. And he has to focus. Kailangan ng scoring niya ng talk and text.
Here's Villanueva working on Leather. Nowhere to go. Roger Yap with 9 to shoot. Here comes Jondan Salvador. Fires and scores.
And look at the aggressiveness of the big man of Coach Ryan. Jondan Salvador with 6 points. Doble trabaho nito. Si Terrence Leather na binabantayan, kumakamada pa sa scoring.
And the Phone Pals have no other recourse but to call this 30-second timeout dahil maaga silang iniiwan ng Pure Foods here in the opening quarter.
Well, tatlo actually ang kanilang choices, but all big men. Una, sinubukan si Enrico, pero pagpunta nila sa ilalim muli kay Jondan Salvador, quick 2 points ang kanyang naibigay dito. At hirap na sa pag-adjust. Miscommunication ang nagaganap sa inside defense nitong mga taga-talk and text, especially with a distracted Terrence Leather sa kanilang hardcourt.
And I think, well, what the Phone Pals want to do is to make Leather cool it.
Tinanggal mo na.
Upo muna. Brad, buko muna, Brad. Palamig ka muna ng ulo.
Well, 12 puntos na itong kalamangan ng Pure Foods. Napakaagang momentum ang kanilang nakukuha dito.
Here's Washington, bounce pass, Cardona, 4-3, no go. Cardona got his own miss. Reset ang opensa para sa Talking Legs. They have a new shot clock. They're down by 12. And Ali Peak scores inside.
Tama na muna ang mga tira sa labas. Kailangan tumira din tayo sa loob. Those are high percentage shots. At isa dyan, sa matataas ang percentage talaga sa loob, this would be Ali Pick.
10 to shoot. Jondan Salvador goes to Villanueva, top of the key. Inabot yung kanyang jump shot ni Ali Peak. Here comes Alapag. Alapag on the move. He steps on the brakes. Cardona on the left side. Back to Alapag. Alapag gives it back to Cardona. 4-3. No, sir. But again, he gets his own miss. And he attacks. Bounce pass. Washington. And it goes in.
Well, si Washington, natutunan na rin yung kanyang leksyon, yung mga attention sa labas. Tama na muna, konting control. Sa loob tayo i-score. So coming from the 30-second timeout, 4 straight points ang kanilang naitala dyan.
Both imports on the bench. Both teams going all Filipino at this point. The mga Pure Foods, 14-6.